there is a huge expectation out there, all right? Especially, I mean, around something that's going to happen tomorrow. Well, as far as I'm hoping for the best, I also want to be prepared for the worst. And as a matter of fact, we've seen that today, all right? Right off the bat, opening at 54, even lower than the previous close of 55, and then dropping it all the way down to $51, right? Guys, this is shorts being at work, nothing more, nothing less. And maybe you had some paper hands here. That is what they want, all right? They drop it suddenly, and if you have a stop loss, if you bought maybe at 65 or 60, then you get scared because you're already losing $10 a share, and boom, you're out. Well, we see how quick it recover the very same day. This is just the tactics, and we know what's going on. They are not covering, which will not change anything to the whole play. As a matter of fact, when you look at the dark pool activity, you see that the position is increasing. So they are going at it with everything they have, all right? Now down to the short position as a whole, 546 million shares. In dollar amount, $28 billion. Yesterday it was at 500 million shares. So they are doubling down. That's an additional, maybe $2-3 billion that they added to this whole thing just today. All right, why? Maybe because of this rule, and that is why many people are getting so hyped, and as I mentioned, as long as I want to be, hoping for the best, I also want to be prepared for the worst. First of all, I believe personally, but I may be wrong, that this will be in effect starting after market close tomorrow. So maybe we'll start to see the real effect of this Thursday, Friday, and then going into next week. All right, so this is my personal opinion. So again, guys, maybe the hedges will come up with something new in order to maneuver around this new rule, but since it's gonna be an automatic calculation, I hardly believe it, but you just never know, especially with the AMC play and the hedges and the stock market as a whole. Just never say never. All right, so because of this, I'm just going to wait and see, because as far as I'm concerned, nothing has changed. They haven't covered, but it's not a matter of if they're going to cover. It's a matter of when. And because of that, I'm still holding just my 2 cents.